This 2023 Hyundai Tucson is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Hyundai is powered by Shine all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded i4 2.5 L152 engine, and has 47,455 miles. Drive your dreams home. Discover this like-new 2023 Hyundai Tucson today. Exceptional value awaits. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.